Hey, it's Josh with Commonwealth Curb Appeal. Wanted to do a quick video on the cost of a paver patio installation. First, I've been doing these videos to help educate you on your next outdoor living or hardscape project. And if you have any questions for me, please ask in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer your question in a future video. So let's get to it. How much does it cost to install a paver patio? Generally, you can expect to spend between $15 to $20 per square foot for a quality installation. Things such as manufacturer, location, slope, soil type, accessibility. Is there anything like concrete that has to be removed? Paver style, pattern, texture. All those things go into it, but in general, between $15 to $20 a square foot. I want to give you an example. If you have a patio job in the backyard where you need to haul all the material in by wheelbarrow by hand because the accessibility is really bad, you're looking at spending on the upper side of that. Now, if you have a paver patio project that you can just pull your truck right up, dump the gravel, get all your material right beside the project area, you may be even able to save a couple bucks. So anyhow, I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, please give us a like. And if you're looking for more content, please subscribe to our channel. We'll keep churning it out. So thanks a lot and have a great day.